The number one problem is x quantity x minus 4 quantity plus 8 quantity 3x minus 2x quantity x plus 5y minus quantity 3x minus 2 close. X quantity x minus 4 quantity plus 8 quantity 3x minus 2x quantity x plus 5y minus quantity 2x minus 2. We get this 2x minus 2 because we subtract the 3x minus x is equals to 2x, then we copy the negative 2. X quantity x minus 4 quantity plus 8 quantity 3x minus 2x quantity x plus 5y minus 2x plus 2. We eliminate the parentheses inside the square bracket. Then x quantity x minus 4 quantity plus 8 quantity 3x minus 2x quantity negative x plus 5y plus 2. We get this negative x from combining like terms inside the square bracket. Then x quantity x minus 4 quantity plus 8 quantity 3x plus 2x squared minus 10xy minus 4x. We get that from bring down the 3x, then 2x times negative x is equals to positive 2x squared, then 2x times 5y is equals to 10xy, then 2x times 2 is equals to 4x, then x quantity x minus 4 quantity plus 8 quantity 2x squared minus x minus 10x, then x open x minus 4 close plus 16x squared minus x minus 80yx. We get that from x times 2x squared is equals to 16x squared, then x times 8 is equals to 8x, then 8 times 10 is equals to 80. Then the result is negative 4x plus 16x squared minus x minus 80x. The number 2 problem is quantity 9 quantity a minus quantity 2y minus 7 quantity x minus z close quantity negative 6 quantity 3 quantity x minus y quantity negative 4 quantity x minus z close. Then quantity 9 quantity a quantity 2y minus 7 quantity x minus z quantity negative 6, then quantity 3 times x is equals to 3x, then copy the negative sign, then quantity 3 times y is equals to 3y, then the next parenthesis is negative 4 times x is equals to negative 4x, negative 4 times negative z is equals to positive 4z. Then quantity 9 quantity a minus quantity 2y minus 7 quantity x minus z close, quantity negative 6 quantity negative x minus 3y plus 4z. We get this negative x from combining like terms inside the square bracket. Then quantity 9, quantity a minus quantity 2y minus 7, quantity x minus z, close. Then negative 6 times negative x is equals to positive 6x. Negative 6 times negative 3y is equals to positive 18y. Negative 6 times positive 4z is equals to negative 24. Then 9, quantity 9, then quantity a minus quantity 2y negative 7 times negative 7x plus 7z. Then 9a minus 18 plus 63x minus 63z. We get that from 9 times 2y is equals to negative 18y. Then 9 times negative 7x is equals to positive 63x. 9 times positive 7z is equals to negative 63z. Then bring down the positive 67 plus 18y and negative 24. Then the answer is 9a plus 69x minus 87z, or 3a plus 23x 29z, close. Number 3 problem is quantity 5, quantity 2x minus 3y plus 7, quantity negative 4, quantity x minus 2y, quantity 2x minus 3 plus 4, quantity 1 minus x, close, quantity negative xy. Quantity 5, quantity 2x minus 3y plus 7, quantity negative 4, quantity x minus 2y, quantity 2x minus 3 plus 4 minus 4x, quantity xy. We eliminate the parentheses inside the square bracket. Then quantity 5, quantity 2x minus 3y plus 7, quantity negative 4, quantity x minus 2y, quantity negative 2x plus 1, quantity negative x. Quantity, we get the negative 2x from combining like terms inside the square bracket. Yes. Then quantity 5, quantity 2x minus 3y plus 5, close, quantity negative 4, quantity x plus 4xy minus 2y minus xy. We get this 4xy minus 2y minus xy from negative 2y times negative 2x is equals to positive 4xy. Then negative 2y times 1 is equals to negative 2y. Then copy the xy. Then 5 open 2x negative 3y plus 7, close, minus 4. Then open x plus 3xy minus 2y. Then 5 open 2x minus 3y plus 7, close, minus 4x negative 12xy plus 8y. We get this 4 negative 4x minus 12xy plus 8y from negative 4 times x is equals to negative 4x. Negative 4x times 3xy is equals to negative 12xy. Negative 4 times 2y is equals to positive 8y. Then the next step is we need to multiply this. 5 times 2x is equals to 10x. 5 times 3y is equals to negative 15y. 5 times 7 is equals to positive 35. Then copy the negative 4x minus 12xy plus 8y. Then the answer is 6x minus 7y minus 2xy plus 35. We get this 6x minus 7y minus 12xy plus 35 from 10x minus 4x is equals to 6x. 15y minus 8y is equals to 7y. Then copy the negative 12xy, then positive 35. That's the answer. The number 4 problem is subtract 42x squared plus 68y squared plus 72z squared from the sum of 86x squared minus 37z squared and 51y squared plus 94z squared. Then we calculate the 86x squared minus 37z squared plus 51y squared plus 94z squared. We copy the 86x squared plus 51y squared, then we subtract 37z squared minus 94z squared is equals to 57z squared. Then the answer is 86x squared plus 51y squared plus 57z squared. Then we will subtract it in 42x squared plus 67y squared plus 72z squared. 87x squared minus 42x squared is equals to 44x squared. Then 51y squared minus 68y squared is equals to 17y squared. Then 57z squared minus 72z squared is equals to 15z squared. Then the number 5 problem is subtract the sum of x squared plus 17x squared. No. X cubed plus 17x squared plus 36x minus 15 and 3x cubed minus 13x plus 33 from the sum of negative 2x cubed minus x squared plus 79x plus 8 and 5x cubed minus 73x squared plus 99x plus 67. Then negative 2x cubed minus 8x squared plus 79x plus 8 plus 5x cubed minus 73x squared plus 99x plus 67. We add this two and the answer is 3x cubed minus 81 x squared plus 78x plus 75. Then the sum of x cubed plus 17x squared plus 36x minus 15 plus 3x cubed minus 13x plus 33. We add this to and the answer is 4x cubed plus 17x squared plus 23x plus 18. Then we subtract the sum. The sum is 3x cubed minus 81x squared plus 178x plus 75. Then 4x cubed plus 17x squared plus 23x plus 18. 3x cubed minus 4x cubed is equals to negative x cubed. Then 81x squared, then 17x squared is equals to negative 98x squared. Then 178x and 23x is equals to negative 155. That is negative 155x. Then 75 minus 18 is equals to 57. The number 6, find the product. 2x cubed minus x squared y plus y cubed multiply to 3x squared y minus 4x y squared plus 5y cubed. 2x cubed times 3x squared y is equals to 6x to the raised to 5y. Then 2x cubed times 4xy squared is equals to 8x raised to 4y squared. 2x times 5y cubed is equals to 10x cubed y cubed. Then y squared y times 3x squared y is equals to 3x raised to 4 y squared. X squared y times 4xy squared is equals to 4x cubed y cubed. Then x squared y times 5y cubed is equals to 5x cubed y 5x squared y raised to 4. Then the last, y cubed times 3x squared y is equals to 3x squared raised to 4. Then y cubed times 4xy squared is equals to 4xy raised to 5. Then y cubed times
5y cubed is equals to 5y raised to 5. Then combine the like terms. 6x raised to 5y, then combine to 4xy raised to 5 plus 5y raised to 6. There it is. Then 8x raised to 4 y squared combined to 3x raised to 4 y squared equal 11x raised to 4 y squared. Then 5x squared raised to y raised to 4, then combine to 3x squared y raised to 4, then equal to negative 2x squared y raised to 4. Then the last is 10x cube y cube combined to 4x cube y cube equal to positive 14x cube y cube. The number 7 problem is 2x squared minus x cube minus 4x plus 5. 3x minus 2x squared plus 7. 2x squared minus x cube minus 4x plus 5 times 3x minus 2x squared plus 7 equal 6x squared. 2x squared times 3x is equals to 6x cubed. 2x squared times 2x squared is equals to 4x cubed. 4x raised to 4. 2x squared times 7 is equals to 14x squared. Then the next is x cubed times 3x is equals to 3x raised to 4. X cubed times 2x squared is equals to 2x raised to 5. X cubed times 7 is equals to 7x cubed. The next is 4x times 3x is equals to 12x squared. 4x times 2x squared is equals to 8x cubed. Then 4x times 7 is equals to 28x. Then 5 times 3x is equals to 15x. Then 5 times 2x squared is equals to 10x squared. 5 times 7 is equals to 35. Then the third step, you will combine the like terms. 6x cubed minus 4x raised to 4 plus 14x squared minus 3x raised to 4 plus 2x raised to 5 minus 7x cubed minus 12x squared plus 8x cubed minus 28x plus 15x minus 10x squared plus 35. The answer is 25. The answer is 2x raised to 5 minus 7x raised to 4 plus 7x cubed minus 8x squared minus 13x plus 35. That is the answer if you combine the like terms. The number 8 problem is 3x plus 2y squared. 2x minus 3y squared. You will expand the expression 3x plus 2y, then 3x plus 2y, 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y. Just expand. Then you will distribute it by multiplying. 3x times 3x is equals to 9x squared. 3x minus 3x times 2y is equals to 6xy. 2y times 3x is equals to 6xy. 2y is equals 2y times 2y is equals to 4x squared. This 2x times 2x is equals to 4x squared. 2x times 3y is equals to 6xy. 3y times 2x is equals to 6xy. 3y times 3y is equals to 9x squared. Then combine the like terms. 6xy plus 6xy times 6xy plus 6xy is equal to 12xy. 12xy. Then 6xy plus 6xy is equals to 12xy is right there. Just same. Then multiply it. 9x squared times 4x squared is equals to 36x raised to 4. 9x squared times 12xy is equals to 108 x cubed y. 9x squared times 9y squared is equals to 81 x squared y squared. 12xy times 4x squared is equals to 48x cubed y. 12xy times 12xy is equals to 144x squared y squared. 12xy times 9y squared is equals to 108x y squared. Then 4y squared times 4x squared is equals to 16x squared y squared. Then 4y squared times 12xy is equals to 48xy cubed. 4y squared times 9y squared is equals to 36y raised to 4. Then this line you need to gather the like terms. Yeah, like terms. Then this line you need to combine the like terms. Then the answer is 4a raised to 4 plus 3b raised to 4 minus 12a cube b minus 14ab cube plus 21a squared b squared. The number 9 problem is a squared minus 2ab plus 3b squared. Then 2a minus b. You need to expand this 2a minus b. You need to expand this because there have a squared up there. 2a minus b, 2a minus b. For a squared, you need to multiply this 2a 2a times 2a is equals to 4a squared. 2a times b is equals to 2ab. b times 2a is equals to 2ab. b times b is equals to b squared. Then combine the like terms. Derive the like terms. 2ab plus 2ab is equals to 4b. 4a squared minus 4ab plus b squared. Then you will copy this. Copy there. Then this. Copy this. Then multiply it. A squared times 4a squared is equals to 4a raised to 4. A squared times 4ab is equals to 4a cubed b. A squared times b squared is equals to a squared b squared. Then 2ab times 4a squared is equals to 8a cubed b. 2ab times 4ab is equals to 8a squared b squared. 2ab times b squared is equals to 2ab cubed. Then 3b squared times 4a squared is equals to 12a squared b squared. 3b squared times 4ab is equals to 12ab raised 12ab cubed. 3b squared times b squared is equals to 3b raised to 4. Then this line, you need to combine the like terms. Then the answer is 4a raised to 4 plus 3b raised to 4 minus 12a cubed b minus 14ab cubed plus 21a squared b squared.
The number 10 problem is x minus y cubed times x plus y. You need to expand x minus y 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You need to expand the expression. Then you need to multiply the 2x minus y. X times x is equals to x squared. X times y is equals to xy. Y times x is equals to xy again. Y times y is equal to y squared. Then copy the x minus y. Then you need to combine the like terms. Xy, then xy is equals to 2xy. Then you need to multiply it. X squared times x is equals to x cubed. X squared times y is equals to x squared y. 2xy times x is equals to 2x squared y. 2xy times y is equals to 2xy squared. Y squared times x is equals to xy squared. Y squared times y is equals to x cubed. Then you need to combine the like terms again. X squared y times 2x squared y is equals to 3x squared y. 2xy squared then plus 3 plus xy squared is equals to 3xy squared. Then copy the x cubed. Then copy the x plus y. Then the next is you need to multiply it again. X cubed times x is equals to x raised to 4. X cubed times y is equals to x cubed y. Y cubed times x is equals to y raised to 4. Y cubed times y is equals to y raised to 4. Then 3x squared y times x is equals to 3x cube y. Then 3x squared y times y is equals to 3x squared y squared. Then 3xy squared times x is equals to 3x squared y squared. Then 3xy squared in times y is equals to 3xy cube. Then you need to combine the like terms. This line, you need to combine the like terms. Then the answer is x raised to 4 minus y raised to 4 minus 2x cube y plus 2xy cube. Divide the first polynomial by the second polynomial. The given is x raised to 5 plus 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cubed minus 8x squared minus 2x plus 18 divided by x squared minus 3x plus 2. In dividing polynomials using long division, first, we have to divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. This is the first term of the quotient. Multiply the new term by the divisor and subtract this product from the dividend. This difference is the new dividend. The first term dividend is x raised to 5 divided by the first term divisor is x raised to 2 is equals to x raised to 3. Then x raised to 3 multiply to the divisor. X raised to 3 times x raised to 2 is equals to negative x raised to 5. X raised to 3 times negative 3x is equals to negative 3x raised to 4. X raised to 3 divided x raised to 3 times 2 is equals to 2x cubed. Then next step is to subtract the answer from the dividend. X raised to 5 minus x raised to 5 is equals to 0. 2x raised to 4 plus 3x raised to 4 is equals to 5x raised to 4. 3x cubed plus 2x cubed is equals to 5x cubed. Then bring down negative 8x squared. Then 5x raised to 4 divided by the first term of the divisor. Then equals to 5x raised to 2. 5x squared times x squared is equals to 5x raised to 4. 5x squared times negative 3x is equals to negative 15x cubed. 5x squared times 2 is equals to 10x squared. Then subtract 5x raised to 4 minus 5x raised to 4 is equals to 0. 5x raised to 3 minus 5x raised to 3 is equals to 10x raised to 3. 8x squared 8x squared plus 10x squared is equals to 8x squared. Then copy the negative 2x. Then 10x cubed divided by the first term of the divisor is equals to 10x. 10x times x squared is equals to 10x raised to 3. 10x times negative 3x is equals to negative 30x squared. 10x times 2 is equals to 20x. Then subtract 10x cubed minus 10x cubed is equals to 0. 18x minus 18x squared minus 30x squared is equals to 20 is equals to 12x squared. 2 2x plus 20x is equals to 22. Then bring down positive 18. Then 12 12x squared divided by to the first term of the divisor is equals to 12. 12 times x squared is equals to 12x squared. 12 times negative 3x is equals to negative 36x. 12 times 2 is equals to 24. Then subtract 12x squared minus 12x squared is equals to 0. 22 minus 36 is equals to 14. 18 minus 24 is equals to 6. Then 0 plus 14x minus 6 is the remainder. The number 12 given is 12x raised to 5 minus 2x raised to 4 plus 3x cubed plus 70x minus 70 divided by 3x squared plus x minus 7. Then the first term dividend is 12x raised to 5 divided by to the first term divisor is 3x. 3x squared is equal to 4x raised to 3. Then 4x raised to 3 multiplied to the divisor. 4x raised to 3 times 3x squared is equals to negative 12x raised to 5. 4x raised to 3 times x is equals to 4x raised to 4. 4x raised to 3 times negative 7 is equals to negative 28x raised to 3. Then subtract 12x raised to 5 minus 12x raised to 5 is equals to 0. 12x raised to 4 plus 4x raised to 4 is equals to 6x raised to 4. Then 3x raised to 3 plus 28x raised to 3 is equals to 31x raised to 3. Then bring down 0. Then 6x raised to 4 divided by to the first term divisor and equal to 2x raised to 2. 2x raised to 2 times 2x raised to 2 multiplied to the divisor. 2x raised to 2 times 3x squared is equals to 6x raised to 6x raised to 4. 2x raised to 2 times x is equals to 2x raised to 3. 2x raised to 2 times negative 7 is equals to 14x squared. Then subtract 6x raised to 4 minus 6x raised to 4 is equals to 0. 31x cubed plus 2x cubed is equals to 33x cubed. Then 31 0 minus 14x squared is equals to 14x squared. Then bring down positive 70. Then 33x cubed divided by to the first term divisor is equal to 11x. 11x multiplied to the divisor in 11x times 3x squared is equals to 33x raised to 3. Then 11x times x is equals to 11x squared. 11x times negative 7 is equals to negative 77x. Then subtract 33x cubed minus 33x cubed is equals to 0. 14x squared minus 11x squared is equals to 3x squared. Then 70x plus 77x is equals to 147x. Then bring down negative 7. Then 3x squared divided by to the first term of divisor, then equal to 1. 1 times, then 1 multiply to the divisor. 1 times 3x squared is equals to negative 3x squared. 1 times x is equals to x. 1 times negative 7 is equals to 7. Then subtract 3x squared minus 3x squared is equals to 0. 147x minus x is equals to 148x plus that. I mean 147x plus x is equals to 148. Then 7 plus 7 is equals to 14. Then 0 plus 148x minus 14 is the remainder. The number 13 given is 8x raised to 5 minus 6x raised to 4 minus 11x cubed plus 3x squared plus 17x plus 15 divided by 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. Then the first dividend is 8x raised to 5 divided by 2x cubed, then equal to 4x squared. Then 4x squared times 2x cubed is equals to 8x raised to 5. 4x squared times 3x raised to 2 is equals to 12x raised to 4. 4x squared times 5x 5x is equals to 20x squared. Then 4x squared times negative 2 is equals to negative 8x squared. Then subtract 8x raised to 5 minus 6x squared minus 11x cubed plus 3x squared plus 17x. Subtract to 8x raised to 5 plus 12x raised to 4 plus 20x cubed minus 8x squared is equal to 0 minus 18x raised to 4 minus 31x cubed plus 11x squared plus 17x. Then negative 6x raised to 4 divided by 2x squared is equals to negative 9x. Then negative 9x times 2x cubed is equals to negative 18x x raised to 4. Negative 9x times 3x squared is equals to negative 27x cubed. Negative 9x times 5 is equals to negative 45x squared. Negative 9x times negative 2 is equal to positive 18x. Then subtract negative 18x cube minus 31x cube plus 11x squared plus 17x plus 15. Subtract to 18x raised to 4 minus 27x cube minus 45x squared plus 18 is equal to 0 minus 4x cube plus 56x squared minus x plus 15. Then 11x squared divided by 2x cube is equals to negative 2. Negative 2 times 2x squared is equals to negative 4x cubed. Negative 2 times 3x squared is equals to negative 6x squared. Negative 2x times 5x is equals to negative 10x. Then negative 2 times negative 2 is equals to positive 4. Then negative 4x cubed plus 56x squared minus x plus 15 minus 4x cubed minus 6x squared negative minus 10x plus 4 is equal to 0 plus 62 x squared plus 9x plus 11. Number 14. Solve for x, y, and z or whichever core. So our equation 1 is 14x minus 12y equals to 7. And our equation 2 is 21x minus 18y is equals to 21. So first, we have to transpose negative 12 from our equation 1. Then we must divide both sides by 19. So 14x is equals to 7 plus 12y divide both sides by 19. So x equals to 1/2 plus 6y over 7. So this is equation 3. Now, to substitute equation 1, equation 3 to equation 2, 21 times 1 over 2 plus 6y over 7 minus 18 equals 21. So 21 times 1 over 2 is 21 over 2 plus 18y minus 18y is equal to 21. 18y and negative 18y is eliminated, so minus 21 over 2 is equal to 21 over 2. Number 15. Our first equation is 14x minus 12y is equal to 0. Equation 2 is 49x minus 42y is equal to 0. First is to transpose negative 12 from equation 1. Then we divide both sides by 14. So 14x equals 12y divided by both sides by 14. So it will be x equal to 6 over 7 y. This will be our equation 3. Negative 12y is equal to 14x minus 12y. 12y is equal to 14x divided by both side by negative 12. So y is equal to 7 over 6x. This will be our equation 4. Then let's substitute equation 3 to equation 2. 49x minus 42y is equal to 0. So 49 times 6 over y ay 6 over 7y minus 42y is equal to 0. 42y minus 42y is equal to 0. Then substitute equation 4 to equation 2. 49x minus 42 times 7 over 6x equal to 0. 49x minus 49x is equal to 0. Number 16. Our equation 1 is 6 over x minus 7 over y is equal to 26 over 1 half. And the equation 2 is 5 over x minus 8 over y equal to 29. For our equation 1, 6 over x minus 7y is equal to 53 over 2 times negative 5. So negative 5 times 6 is equals to negative 30 over x. Negative 5 times negative 7 is positive 35 over y. Then negative 5 times 53 over 2 will give you negative 265 over 2. 5 over y minus 8 over y is equal to 29 times 6 times 6. 6 times 5 is 30 over y, and 6 times negative 48 over y, and 6 times 29 will give you 174. Now to add negative 30 over x plus 30 over x is 0. Positive 35 over y plus negative 48 over y will give you negative 13 over y. Negative 265 over 2 plus 174 will give you 82 over 2. Now negative 13 over y equal negative 2 over y, then 82 over 2, then cross multiply, so y is equals to negative 26 over 83. Now for equation 2, 6 times quantity over 13 minus 7 times quantity negative 83 over 26 is equals to 53 over 2. 6 times 9 over 13 will give you 54 over 13. Negative 7 times negative 83 over 26 is positive 581 over 26. And then
will lead you to answer of 53 over 2. 53 over 2 is equal to 53 over 2. Now to solve for x, we will use equation 2 and the value of y. 5 over x minus 8 times quantity negative 83 over 26 is equal to 29. 5 over x plus 3 plus 322 over 13 is equal to 29. Now to transpose 5 over x is equal to 29 minus 332 divided by 13 is equal to x is equal to 13 over 9. Now we will substitute x and y to equation 2.
Number 17. The equation 1 is 5x plus 8y plus 2z is equal to negative 14. Then the equation 2 is 2x plus 5y plus 3z is equal to 3. 3x minus 6y plus 4z is equal to negative 4. Then, so first, we have to substitute equation 1 to equation 2. So, x equals to negative 8y minus 2z minus 14 over 5. 2 times negative 8y minus 2z minus 14 divided by 5 plus 5y plus 32 is equal to 3. Now distribute 2 times negative 8 is negative 16. 2 times negative 2 is positive 42. 2 times negative 14 is negative 28 over 5. Then copy 5y plus 32 is equal to 3. Next is to distribute 5 to cancel 1 over 5. So 5 times negative 16y minus 4z minus 28 over 5 plus 5y plus 32 is equal to 3. So 5 times 5 is equal to 25. 5 times 32 is 152 and 5 times 3 is 15. Now for combining like terms, for combining like terms, negative 16y and positive 25y is equal to 9y. Negative 42 and 152 is positive 11z. Then negative 28 plus negative 15 will give you negative 43. 43 is equal to 0. Is our equation 4. Next, to substitute equation 2 to equation 3, so
x equal to negative 5y minus 32 plus 3 over 3. Is equal to 3. Quantity 3, negative 5y minus 32 plus 3 over 2. Negative by negative 6y plus 4z is equal to negative 4. Then distribute 3. So 3 times negative 5y is equals to negative 15y. 3 times negative 32 is equals to negative 92. 3 times positive 3 is equal to 9 over z. 9 over z. Then copy negative 6y plus 42 is equal to negative 4. After this, if we multiply it by 2 to cancel 1/2, so it's become negative 15 y minus 9 z plus 9 minus 12y plus 82 is equal to negative 8. Then combine like terms. Then equal to 5 is negative 27y minus 2 is equal to negative 70. Then now distribute equation 5 to equation 4. Z is equals to 17 minus 27y. 27y. 9y plus 11 close. I open 17 minus 27y close. Negative 43 is equal to 0. Then times the quantity of 17, then 11 must be distribute. Then 9y plus 87 minus 29, 297y minus 43 is equal to 0. Now combine like terms, it will become negative 288y plus 144 is equal to 0. Now to transpose negative 288y plus 144 is equal to 0 to negative 288y is equal to negative 144. Then divide both sides by negative 288. So 288y is equals to 144 divided by negative 288 is equal to y is equal to 1/2. Now from equation 5, substitute the value of y. Z is equal to 17 minus 27y times 1/2. So z is equals to 17 minus 13.5. Then calculate the sum to get the answer of z is equal to 7 over 2 or 3.5. Next, we need to substitute the value of y and z from x. From x equal to negative 8y minus 2z minus 14 over 5. So x is equal to negative 8 times 1 over 2 minus 2 times the quantity of 7 over 2 minus 14 is 5 is equal to negative 4 minus 7 minus 14 over 5 is equals to negative 25 over 5. Negative 25 over 5 divided by negative 25 divided by 5 is negative 5. So the value of x, y, and z is negative 5, negative 5, 1 half, then 7 over 2.
Number 18 is 4 over x plus 5 over y minus 3 over z is equals to 22. Z over x minus 2 over y plus 4 over z is equals to 51. 9 over x minus 1 over y minus 1 over z is equals to 35. Then 4 over x plus 5 over y minus 3 over z is equals to 22 multiply to 4 is equals to 16 over x plus 20 over y minus 12 over z is equals to 88. Then 7 over x minus 2 over y plus 4 over z is equals to 51. Then multiply to number 3. Multiply to 3 is equals to 21 over x minus 6 over y plus 12 over z is equals to 53. Then 16 over x plus 21 over x is equals to 37 over x. 20 over y, then 6 over y is equals to 14 over y. Then 12 over z, and 12 over z is equals to 0. Then 88 plus 153 is equals to 241. The equation number 4 is 37 over x plus 14 over y is equals to 241. Let's solve the equation number 5. 7 over x minus 2 over y plus 4 over z is equals to 51. Divide times to 1 is equals to 7 over x minus 2 over y plus 4 over z is equals to 51. Then 9 over x minus 1 over y minus 1 over z is equals to 35 times to 4 is equals to 36 over x minus 4 over y minus 4z is equals to 140. Then 7 over x plus 36 over x is equals to 43 over x. 2 over y plus 4 over y is equals to 6 over y. 4 over z, positive 4 over z, then negative 4 over z is equals to 0. Then 51 plus 140 is equals to 191. The equation 5 is 43 over x minus 6 over y equals to 191. Let's solve for the x. 37 over x plus 14 over y
is equals to 241 times 6 is equals to 222 over x plus 84 over y is equals to 1444. Then 43 over x minus 6 over y is equals to 191 times 14. 6 is equals to 602 over y minus 84 over y is equals to 2674. Then 222 over x plus 602 over x is equals to 824 over x. Then positive 84 over y, then negative 84 over y is equals to 0. Then 1446 plus 2674 is equals to 4120. So x is equals to 1 over 5. Now let us substitute x to equation 4. 37 times 5 plus 14 over y is equals to 241. 185 plus 14 over y is equals to 241. 14 over y is equals to 241 minus 185. 14 over y is equals to 56. Y. Then the y is equals to 14 over 56. Y is equals to 1 over 4. Then 4 over x plus 5 over y minus 3 over z is equals to 22. Then 4 times 5 plus 5 times 4 is equals to 22. No. 4 times 5 plus 5 times 4 minus 3 over z is equals to 22. 20 plus 20 minus 3 over z is equals to 22. Negative 3 over z is equals to 22 minus 40. Z is equals to 3 over 18. Then z is equals to 1 over 6. The value of x is 1 over 5. The y is 1 over 4. Then the z is 1 over 6. The number 1 of trigonometry. A ladder 42 feet long is placed so that it will reach a window 30 feet high of street. If it is torn over, its foot being held in position, it will reach a window 25 feet high on the other side of the street. How wide is the street from building to building? So a plus b is question mark is equals to distance. To solve for distance, we can use Pythagorean theorem. So c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared. 42 squared is equals to a squared plus 30 squared. So let us transpose. A squared is equals to 42 squared minus 30 squared. Then a squared is equals to 1763 minus 900. Then the square root of a squared is equals to the square root of 864. 8 is equals to 12 to square root of 6 is equals to 29.39 feet. Then 42 squared is equals to b squared plus 25 squared. B squared the square root of b squared is equals to the square root of 42 squared minus 25 squared. Then the b is equals to 33.75 feet. Then a plus b is equals to 20. The a is 29.39 feet plus the b is 33.75 feet. Then equal is 63.14 feet. There is the wide of the building. The wide is 63.14 feet. The number 2 trigonometry. From a window 30 feet above the level ground, a building 100 feet high and at a distance of 200 feet is observed. Find the angle of elevation of the top of the building and the angle of depression of its base. To get the angle of elevation, we use SOHCAHTAA. Tan is equals to opposite over adjacent. So tangent theta is equals to 70 over 200. Tangent theta is equals to 0.35. Theta is equals to inverse tan times 0.35. So theta is equals to 19.29 degree. So our angle of elevation is 19.29 degrees. To solve the angle of depression, alpha is equals to 90 minus 19.29 is equals to 70.71. Beta is equals to 90 minus 70.71 is equal to 19.29 degree. So the angle of depression is 19.29 degrees. The number 3 of trigonometry. To measure the height of the building, a surveyor sets up his transit at a distance of 112.2 feet from the building. He finds the angle of elevation of the top of building to be 48 degree 17. If the telescope of the transit is 5 feet above the base of the building, how high is the building? So the 48.28 degrees, the H is question mark. Tan theta is equals to opposite over adjacent. Then substitute. Tan 48.28 is equals to H minus 5 over 112.2. Then so 112.2 times 1.12 is equals to H minus 5. 125.66 plus 5 is equals to H. Then the H is equals to 130.66 feet. So the height
So the height height of building is 130.66 feet. The number 4 of trigonometry. From the top of the tower, 63.2 feet high, the angle of depression of two objects situated in the same horizontal line with the base of the tower and on the same side of the tower are 31 degree and 16 and 46 degree 28 respectively. Find the distance between the two objects. So we need to simplify 31 degree and 16, then 46 degree and 28. So 36 degree and 16 is 31.27 degrees. Then 46 degree and 28 is 46.47. So tan 46.47 is equals to 63.2 over x. Then x is equals to 63.2 over tan 46.47. Then the x is equals to 60.04 feet. Then let us find the y. Tan 31.27 is equals to 63.2 over y. Then y is equals to 63.2 over tan 31.27. Then the y is equals to 104.07 feet. So the distance is equals to x plus y. The distance is 60.04, that is the x. Then plus 104.07, that is the y. Subtract. So the distance is equals to 164.11 feet. A river flows at the rate of 1.5 miles an hour. A. In what difference must a man swim in order to go straight across if his rate of swimming in still water is 2.5 miles an hour? B. How long will it take him to cross if a river is 1/2 mile wide? So to find that, we use the ka. So A, the cosine number 6 of trigonometry. A barge is being towed north at the rate of 15 miles an hour. A man walks across the deck from the west to east at the rate of 6 feet per second. Find the direction and the magnitude of his actual velocity. So
we multiply them all. 6 feet over second, then times to 1 mile over 5,280 feet, times 60 seconds over 1 minute, 1 minute, times minute 60 minute over 1 hour is equals to 4.09 miles and hours. So to get the direction and the magnitude of its actual velocity, we use the TOA. So tan theta is equals to 15 over 4.09 theta is equals to tan and theta is equals to 74.75 degree. So c squared is equals to 15 squared plus 4.09 squared. C squared is equals to 225 plus 16.73. The square root of c squared is equals to the square root of 241.73. C is equals to 15.55 miles over hours.